Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it's your first time here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without the subscribe button and the notification so you not if next time I drop the video. So please like. Sorry that I updated you today is that Sianda Ndlovu from Golden Arrows, Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates, and also Mamelodi Sundowns back for South African forward, especially Sianda Ndlovu. Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns are all tracking Golden Arrows midfielder Sianda Ndlovu. With the three Premier Soccer League games to be competing for his signature, the 22 years old has joined an impressive campaign with Abafana B'Sende, registering 3 goals and 4 assists across 15 league appearances so far this season. Sianda Ndlovu start-off performances have reported attracted serious attention, with the insider rivaling that Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates and also Mamelodi Sundowns have all expressed strong interest in inquiring his services. Despite the growing interest, Golden Arrows are believing to be unwilling to part ways with the midfielder during the current transfer window, although that position might not be set in stone. According to a source, all 3 clubs have made inquiries regarding Ndlovu's availability, but Arrows are hesitant to approve a sale. The midfielder is regarded as a vital component of Manqoba Mnqethi's plans, and the head coach has illegally argued club management to block any potential January move. However, the source added that resisting a lucrative offer could prove difficult for the club, suggesting that a transfer to one of the PSL heavyweights cannot be ruled out. Ndlovu rose though the ranks at Golden Arrows have come through that club development system before earning promotion to the first team in August 2023, following impressive display in the SCV Disc Challenge. So, if you are new here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without pressing subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.